There's a big myth floating around the electric vehicle world. It suggests that your Tesla Model S battery has a short, predetermined lifespan. People believe that after a few years it will suddenly fail and require a very expensive replacement. This idea often creates unnecessary anxiety for new and potential owners. However, this common belief is largely incorrect. The truth is far more optimistic. Most Tesla batteries are engineered for incredible longevity. They are designed to outlast the typical ownership period of the car itself. The real story isn't about inevitable replacement, it's about gradual, manageable aging that you have significant control over. The core promise of owning a modern EV like the Model S is not just about zero tailpipe emissions. It is also about long-term reliability and lower maintenance. A key part of this promise is the battery's durability. To understand how to care for your battery, it helps to know a little about what it is and how it works. Think of your Model S battery pack not as a single unit, but as a massive organized community of thousands of tiny individual battery cells. These cells are typically cylindrical, looking a bit like the AA batteries you use at home, only more advanced. Each of these small cells is responsible for storing and releasing electrical energy. When you charge your car, you are pouring energy into these cells. When you drive, you draw that energy out to power the motors. Over time, every rechargeable battery experiences a process called degradation. This is natural and unavoidable. With each charge and discharge, cells lose a tiny fraction of their ability to hold a full charge. The same principle applies to your car's battery, but on a much larger and more robust scale. The good news is that Tesla's battery management system is incredibly sophisticated. It monitors and balances cells so they age as slowly as possible. Two big accelerants of degradation are high states of charge and extreme temperatures, either very high heat or very low voltage for long periods. The BMS controls charge rate, heats or cools the pack, and prevents damaging overcharge or deep depletion. One of the most effective ways to extend your battery's life is to adopt smart charging habits. The single most important rule for daily driving is the 20-80 rule. Try to keep your battery's state of charge between 20% and 80% as much as possible. Constantly charging to 100% and letting it sit there puts cells under high voltage stress. Likewise, regularly running near zero is also stressful. For daily use, set your charge limit to 80%. It's a powerful, simple habit. When you need full range for trips, charging to 100% is fine. Just finish right before departure. Use scheduled departure so the car times the session and avoids long dwell at full. Superchargers are perfect for road trips, but rely on slower level 2 charging for daily needs. Frequent shallow top-ups, like 50 to 80%, are gentler than big swings. Charging to 80% daily, timing 100% for trips, limiting daily fast charging, and plugging in often form the foundation of excellent battery care. Your Tesla's battery, much like Goldilocks, prefers conditions that are just right. It performs best and lasts longest when not exposed to extreme temperatures. High heat is the #1 environmental enemy of lithium-ion batteries. When the pack gets too hot, reactions speed up, and some cause permanent capacity loss. Protect your car on hot days. Park in shade, underground, or under a covered carport whenever possible. If you must park in direct sun, enable cabin overheat protection. A small energy use can deliver big protection in hot climates. On the other end is extreme cold. Cold usually doesn't cause permanent degradation, but it reduces power, limits regen, and temporarily cuts range. Precondition before you drive. Turn on climate while plugged in. Preconditioning warms the cabin and the battery. A warm battery is an efficient battery. Heading to a supercharger in the cold? The car auto-preconditions en route for optimal charging. How you drive has a direct impact on your battery's health and your car's efficiency. Large power demands, like frequent hard launches, make the battery work very hard and generate heat. Enjoy the performance occasionally, but avoid making aggressive acceleration a habit. High-speed driving increases heating cycles, which can accelerate long-term degradation. Gradual acceleration and steady speeds use less energy and stress the battery less. Think sprinting versus jogging. The smoother pace goes farther with less strain. Use regenerative braking on the standard setting for true one-pedal driving and energy recapture. Reduce weight, remove unused roof racks, and keep tires at recommended pressure to cut drag and rolling resistance. These small adjustments, plus smooth driving, can add years to your battery's healthy life. Greater efficiency means fewer full cycles over time, and that means longer lifespan. Caring for your Model S battery extends beyond daily habits and into long-term maintenance and planning. Keep software up to date. Updates refine charging, enhance thermal strategies, and add protective features. Monitor health via your range readout, and consider third-party apps like Tessie or Teslascope for long-term degradation trends. If you see an unexplained sudden drop in range, schedule service. Tesla can run remote diagnostics or an in-person health test. A failing pack rarely means total failure. Often only certain modules need replacement. Specialized third-party shops can replace modules at a fraction of full pack cost, but check your warranty first. High-voltage packs are dangerous. Unauthorized work can void your warranty. Never open or service the pack yourself. At end of automotive life, batteries are recycled for lithium, cobalt, nickel, and increasingly repurposed for stationary storage. This responsible life cycle keeps impact positive from start to finish, extending value well beyond the car.